Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Was your nap good? Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Was the nap just the best? Was it just the best? Was it the best in the whole world? Hey, miss. Beau. Excuse me. Listen, you need to do this thing, okay? You need to do it. No, you need to do it. You need to do it. You need to do it. You have the stars. No, you need to. You need to do it. No, you need to. You need to do it. Just took a long overdue bath. It is now nighttime, and I needed to take a bath because I was stinky. And I'm all clean now. My tummy's cute. Tummy, 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 tummy.
Later.
I'm holding the sweetest little baby in the whole world. Look at this little baby. Oh, it's a week-old little baby. The mommy isn't too happy that I'm holding him, but I don't care because he's so sweet. Such a fun day at Granny and Papa's house. Now it's time to go to bed. Yay!